Financial planning is the financial blueprint of any organization, keeping into consideration that neither the excess funds are to be raised nor we fall short of money. Now we are going to focus upon the importance of financial planning. First of all, we understand how the financial planning makes a firm better prepared for the future, to face the future eventualities. It tries to forecast various business situations. On this basis, alternative financial plans are prepared. By doing so, it helps to face the eventual situation in a better way, because this is just a prediction, and prediction for finances help to face the further eventualities in a better manner. Secondly, financial planning helps in avoiding shocks and surprises. What type of shocks? Shocks of risk, shock of any type of loss, shock and surprise related to sudden fall in the demand of the products, etc. So this could also be avoided. Proper provision regarding shortage or surplus of funds is made by anticipating future receipts and payments. Hence, it helps in avoiding business shocks and surprises. Further, financial planning helps to coordinate various activities and functions in an enterprise. What type of functions are performed? Functions related to the purchase of raw material, purchase of fixed assets, production functions, credit related function, that is related to the sales, etc. So this financial planning helps in coordinating various business activities such as sales, production, purchase, finance. By providing the precise and specific policies through financial planning, this coordination becomes possible. Also, financial planning helps in proper utilization of finance by avoiding the wastage. In the absence of financial planning, wastage of financial resources may take place. This arises due to complex nature of business operations, such as excessively over or underestimation of finance for a particular business operation. Such type of wastages can be avoided, and finance could be properly utilized only through financial planning. Also, financial planning helps to link present with the future. It bridges the gap between where we are and where we have to go. It makes the effort to link the present with the future. By doing so, it helps to minimize the risk of future uncertainties, just because planning is the primary function of management, and when we plan for the finances, it helps us to link the present with the future. Financial planning helps in linking the investment and financing decision. Investment is, that is, such a plan, such a decision where we need to decide how much money is to be invested for fixed assets and how much money is to be invested for current assets. Financing decision helps to take the decision that is related to from where the money will come from what all sources the money will come from. So once we are available with the money, we will be able to invest in a better manner, and this is done through financial planning. Last but not the least, financial planning helps make evaluation of the performance earlier, that is financial control. All financial activities are kept under complete control with the help of financial planning. Under it, standards of financial performance are set. Actual performance is compared with the standards so set. Deviations and their causes are traced, and corrective measures are taken. So now I hope that this topic of financial planning is clear to you. Further, in the next module, I will be explaining you about the difference between financial management and financial plan. Thank you all.